up, YouTube? What up, MB Gang? This your boy Mike Brooks, MBVLOGS. I'm out here at Speedway track with my dog's Trump, my dog Swizz, and loud out here, man. So I'ma just get footage for y'all. You feel me? So stay tuned. Huh? Hey man, we back out here once again, this time with my dog Trump Savage, man. Y'all already know.
Gang, y'all know what it is, man. Shout out my dog, Mr. 1 Thou Wow, man. We here, man.
I swear. Listen, man. Y'all seen the first one. This is the second one. I'm really finna start coming out here like today Wednesday. Dude told us Wednesday, Saturday. So me, Swizz, Trump, man, we trying to make it out here as much as possible. But just got out here, man. Swizz ain't run yet. Ooh, and y'all see it. Y'all see it.
Shout out to my boy Mike Brooks, showing some love to the cam, man.
Yes, sir.
Hey, we're gonna make the best of it, see what we can do.
Yes, sir.
Alright, got my dog Swizz up next. Swizz and Tim. Oh, I think they saying my dog gotta have a level.
I saw something dark, I didn't think about it. Right here? Alright, go down. Let's bring the top plate, hold in here. Go forward. Go forward a little bit. There you go. Yeah, there you go, there you go. Now you're ready. Oh, don't wait for the green and you're good. Go forward a little bit. Stay right there. Hey, you're good, you're good.
Alright, they is letting my dog go up. I don't know why they ain't let them go up together. Trump, tell them to push the record button. The record button.
Gotta do that shit again.
Yeah, real talk. That was your first time? How that was, bro? I was on the side. I heard them when they was telling you pull forward.
Okay, come on,
But a tree.
like, all right.
You see when you pull forward, the bulbs lit up? That's all. You know what I mean? You'll catch it. I'm learning with you, brother.
I gotta go.
Yeah, that shit was raw.
I was like, oh, we taking off for real? Like, this is it?
No.
Because he was talking the whole time, so I thought he was prepping you. But that said go. I said, damn.
Yeah, I thought you was waiting on the. I know, I heard him. I was finna say, damn. Don't bro got a
Yeah, I'm finna
If he'll let you.
Like, we can fit the same side.
That's what I was finna say.
We gotta go together, but I went 945,
Yeah. Here, I seen that.
I felt everlasting.
No, you sounded like you hit it though. Huh? You was talking, I'm like this looking at you because you sounded like you hit it. I was like, yeah, wait.
Yeah, no.
I gotta go. Yeah, I gotta go. Yeah.
I gotta duck it out, bro. We gotta do that over.
Look,
Yeah.
you ready?
Yeah.
Y'all some dope fiends now.
You heard Trump? Trump also, y'all some dope fiends now. Y'all niggas addicted. I swear. Hey. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How my battery life looking? Yeah. You think you know how to operate it like on the side like that? Yeah. Yeah, I know.
See, I didn't know they was gonna do me like that, so I'm saying.
I seen that.
Great. And then, bro, it's crazy because I have a jacket. I got a racing jacket.
I think I seen you with that black. Yeah, I seen you with that on.
Trump got my matter of fact, I'm gonna call my lady, how her bring it.
Yeah. Yeah, man. They was tripping with my homeboy, man. They was tripping with my homboy, saying he couldn't race because he didn't have a leather jacket, but they let him go. I guess they just couldn't let him go with together with Tim. So, but your boy, what bro name is?
Who?
Him with the dread.
Chris.
Yeah, your boy Chris let Swizz hold the jacket so they can go together. So y'all stay tuned, man. You know what I mean? We out here. We out here, man.
I ain't gonna smoke nothing.
Alright, bud. Next time you come out, the brakes are over the ankle shoes, alright? Something. I got you. Good.
Every time I go up, you say something.
Man, I wish I had my drone. I had that bit right there.
I'm going down the track with him.
Right? Oh, they finna go. That nigga left Swizz.
Yeah, that's the guy.
7802. Damn.
He was in second gear though, so he was talking about being in second gear and just trying to like that.
Oh, that's what he said he was on second gear?
I don't know if he ran it, but he was talking about keeping that bitch in second.
Oh. Yeah, Tim did a little thing. Oh yeah, this Tesla finna do it. Tesla all day. Tesla beat the Hellcat out here.
I'm trying to tell you. I'm taking
You know how I'm fucked up by Hellcats, but this shit electric though. That clean over there, boy.
burnout, bro.
It can't. It's all-wheel drive.
Yeah, that bitch on burnout. I like a Tesla, man.
That's sticky, boy. You hear that?
I'm telling you. You go out there and these flip-flops, they're gonna be stuck.
They're gonna get stuck. Come right off the foot. This stage. Double. Double. Look. Oh.
6, 7, 8, man. Come on, man. That Tesla burning.
Tesla burning. It ain't it.
Burning everything.
Oh yeah, he beat 5.8. Damn.
Yeah, that's the fastest out here.
Are these yours too?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
I just didn't want it to end up halfway down the road.
Yes, sir.
Hey man, we'll see you next week.
Yes, sir. Nice to
All
meet
right,
you,
take
man.
it easy, guys.
Thank you. Hey, thank you for everything you did.
See you next time.
Hey, man, so you know, Mr. 1000rr tip, man. I done got so many yellow stickers. Horrible, you know. First time out though, man, I'm having fun. It's been a good little vibe. I'm actually ready to get back out there, man. I feel like a little junkie. I need some more of that.
Need some more of that.
Yeah, we need some more, but we don't need no more yellow, man. We going all whites. If I gotta run myself, we going all whites, man.
All whites.
All whites, all white. Y'all see it,
All
man.
whites.
We can't get no more yellows, man.
Straight
yeah,
up.
Man, I gotta say thank you to my boy Trump Savage for coming up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. Supply the game.
You know that, man. Go
Yes,
get
sir.
that mama look. You feel me? Hey, I'm the man now. Mama look, we got fans now. You know what it is, man.
If
Hey,
y'all
look.
feeling sported, y'all come out here and see me in the foot race, boy. I ain't got these tickets for that. Boy. I'm running to you, man.
Hey, man, shouts out to my boy Mike Brooks Pros, man. He came out, man, supporting, man. You know what it is, man. We liking it, man. We going dumb out, man, this year. Yes,
Straight
sir.
up.